Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. This is a simple project about sustainable city with 2D building model, especially wind energy. First of all, let's see what is sustainable. In simple words, the usage of natural resources in a way which causes a little or no damage to the environment, and we can use it for a long time, like wind's kinetic energy, which can't be completely used or destroyed. So, this wind turbines uses their blades to collect the wind's kinetic energy and converts them to generate electricity. The more the velocity of the wind, velocity means speed of the wind. If the speed of the wind is more power is generated. Hope this simple speech helps you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.